Easy French. My name is Sangita. Today we are doing lesson number 14. We are going to learn how to do math in French. We are going to learn operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, is greater than, is less than. We will also do some extra vocabulary and we will learn to type 5 square on your English keyboard. I'm going to take my lessons in English as well as in Hindi. Pronunciation are written in Hindi. So let's start. So guys, before starting, a small request that please like the video, please share and subscribe, and please don't forget to write a comment. It really helps. So first sign is the equal sign, equal to. This is the sign. So in French we say égal à, égal à. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, so 8 is with, plus will be plus over here, 1 will be on, and but we are going to read it as un, and égal enough. Now, why I'm going to read it as plus and un? Because of the vowels. So this I'm going to explain it in the next slide. Okay. So as for now, with plus un egal enough, you can write this way, and you can write with this a as well. Okay. So with plus un egal a enough. Both the ways are correct. Okay. So next, let's see the next slide. So plus in French is same as in English, but we pronounce it as plus. Plus in front of consonant, plus in front of vowels. But if you are a beginner, I suggest that you keep the plus. Don't get confused. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So 2 plus 2 égale 4. And you can also say 2 plus 2 égale 4 because of this consonant. D is a consonant, so plus. But I suggest that you keep the plus only. Now, second way is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So, first way is 2 plus 1 égale 3. This is the first way. And second way is 2 plus 1 égale à 3. 2 plus 1 égale à 3. This is because of this vowel and N is pronounced because of this vowel in égal. Okay, and this whole operation is known as une addition. Une addition. So next sign is minus or less. This is the sign or the symbol. So minus we say moins, moins. Okay, so 5 minus 3 equals 2. In French, 5 moins 3 égale 2. 5 moins 3 égale 2. Clear? And this whole operation is known as une soustraction. Une soustraction. Okay? Next. So next is multiplication. So in French we say fois for times in English and fois in French. So 3 times 2 equals to 6. Okay? So 3 will be trois. Fois means times. Deux is 2 égale 6. 3 fois 2 égale 6. And this whole operation is known as une multiplication. Une multiplication. Okay. Next is divided by. So divisez pas. Divisez pas. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 9 divisé par 3 égale 3. 9 divisé par 3 égale 3. And this whole operation is known as une division. Une division. Okay. So guys, a small request that do watch the video till the end, and please don't forget to like the video. And over here now is not equal to. This is the sign not equal to. In French we say n'est pas égal à. So 8 plus 1 is not equal to 8. It is 9, right? So 8 plus 1 is not equal to 8. You'll say 8 plus 1 n'est pas égal à 8. Now this pronunciation is pas because of this vowel. This plus become because of this vowel. So if you are a beginner, you just don't worry about that. You just simply say 8 plus 1 n'est pas égal à 8. Simple. But if you want to go into detail, then you can say with plus n'est pas égal à with. Both are correct. Okay. So now next slide. So guys, there's a suggestion from my side that do watch my videos on alphabets, numbers and accents, because that is going to help you how to pronounce the words, plus the numbers, spellings you must know by heart. Okay, then only you will be able to learn French and do maths in French. So accents is a must watch videos because of the pronunciations. Okay, so all the links are there in the description box. So this sign is greater than, so a plus grand que in French, a plus grand que. So 12 is greater than 9. So we are going to read it as 12 est plus grand que 9. 12 is 12, a plus grand que is greater than, and 9 is 9. Okay. Next symbol is less than. So a plus petit que, petit is small. So a plus petit que means smaller than. So 5 is smaller than 18. So 5 est plus petit que 18. 18 is 18. Okay. So 5 is lesser than 18 in French. 5 est plus petit que 18. Okay. Now guys, do watch the video till the end. At the end of the lesson there is some extra vocabulary, and I will teach you how to type 5 square on your English keyboard. Okay, so let's have a quick revision. So plus sign will be plus, minus moins, multiplication fois, division divisé par, equal a égale à, not equal to n'est pas égal à, greater than is a plus grand que, and lesser than is a plus petit que. So guys, some extra vocabulary. Calculation is calcul, square is carré, 5 square is 5 carré, square root is racine carré, racine carré, percent is pourcent, 20% 20%, even numbers nombre pair, nombre pair means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Odd numbers are nombre impair, nombre impair, like numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So guys, hope this lesson was helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and please put a comment. So let us see how to type 5 square on your English keyboard. So first of all, what you have to do for typing this 5 square, what you do is write 5 and 2. Okay, you can also change the numbers, whatever power you want to use. So you type that number. I'm using 5 square over here. So I've written 5 and 2 over here. Okay. After writing 5 and 2, what you do is highlight this 2, or means you select this 2. Okay. You select this 2 and then press Control Shift and equal sign together. Control Shift and equal key together, and you will get this 5 square, because this 2 is going to go up. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you for watching and please like the video. Thank you.